In the chaos of our daily lives, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the ups and downs that come our way. But what if there was a way to navigate through life's challenges with grace and resilience? Welcome to our exploration of the philosophy of Stoicism, where we'll delve into the art of acting as if nothing bothers you and discover the profound benefits it can bring to your life. Picture this: you're stuck in traffic, running late for an important meeting. Your heart races, frustration builds, and stress levels soar. Now, imagine a different scenario. You're in the same traffic jam, but instead of letting frustration consume you, you remain calm and composed. How? By embracing the principles of Stoicism. Acting as if nothing bothers you doesn't mean denying your emotions or pretending everything is fine. It's about cultivating inner resilience, a mindset that allows you to navigate life's challenges with equanimity. And the benefits? They're profound. Firstly, practicing Stoicism helps you maintain emotional balance. By focusing on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and responses, you avoid being overwhelmed by external circumstances. This leads to greater emotional stability and a sense of inner peace. Secondly, acting as if nothing bothers you fosters resilience in the face of adversity. Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot change and adapt to life's inevitable curveballs. Instead of crumbling under pressure, you learn to rise above it, emerging stronger and more resilient than before. Thirdly, Stoicism promotes gratitude and appreciation for life's blessings. By acknowledging that every moment is fleeting and embracing the present with gratitude, you cultivate a deeper sense of fulfillment and contentment in your daily life. But how do you cultivate this mindset of equanimity and resilience, and therefore act as if nothing bothers you? Let's explore some practical techniques. Firstly, practice mindfulness. Take time each day to quiet your mind. Focus on your breath, just your breath. You will notice how it slows down automatically, and cultivate awareness of your thoughts and emotions. Feel your skin. Hear the sounds around you, but don't judge them. Just be present in the moment. This allows you to observe your reactions without being controlled by them. Secondly, embrace the power of perspective. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, will this matter in a day, a week, a month, or a year? By putting things into perspective, you gain clarity and reduce the emotional intensity of the situation. Thirdly, practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, no matter how small. This shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. And finally, live in alignment with your values. Identify what matters most to you and strive to align your actions with your core principles. When you live authentically and with purpose, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment that is unshakable. In conclusion, acting as if nothing bothers you isn't about suppressing emotions or denying reality. It's about embracing life's challenges with courage, wisdom, and resilience. By integrating the timeless principles of Stoicism into your daily life, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace, emotional balance, and fulfillment that transcends the ups and downs of life. So, why not start today? Embrace the power of Stoicism and discover the profound benefits of acting as if nothing bothers you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, no matter what life throws your way, you have the power to choose how you respond. Stay resilient, stay grounded, and may you find peace in the midst of chaos. Until next time, thank you for watching, and remember, mind yourself.